What if only one day could change your entire future?
Join us at USask Open House. It's your chance to explore programs, ask questions, and find out what feels right for you.
There will be a huge info fair where you can learn about university's programs, student clubs, and helpful services.
We will have presentations, sample lectures, and hands-on activities all around the university, including our popular campus tours led by students like us.
Curious about scholarships? Want to know what classes are actually like? We got you.
Mark your calendar, September 19th. Come see what your future could look like. Register now. Come join us.